Meaning of Far Eastern.
Far Eastern.
Far Eastern.
Far Eastern.
Far Eastern. Far Eastern is a term used to describe the easternmost region of Asia, which includes countries such as China, Japan, Korea, and Taiwan. This region is known for its unique culture and traditions, as well as significant economic growth in recent years. The term is often used in contrast to Western or European cultures, highlighting the differences between the two. The Far Eastern region has a rich history and continues to be an important player on the global stage in terms of trade, technology, and politics.